In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $35,150 in commission in 3 months just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic without any paid ads and without any website. Okay, I will share with you guys my methods. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, and for people who are already watched my videos, I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube to start making some commission. Okay, and as you can see in my balance, I have $11,250 available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. So what you need to do next is you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language over here. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to your YouTube homepage. Okay, open your YouTube homepage like this. It's super easy. Okay, and so why I choose to promote my affiliate links on YouTube? So did you know that YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors? You can really get so much traffic from YouTube. Millions of people every single day are using YouTube to search for specific services, products, topics, and so much more. Okay, and YouTube is the second largest search engine. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. So you guys, you don't need to miss YouTube. Okay, if you want to start affiliate marketing, don't miss YouTube. YouTube is really profitable. You can get so much traffic for free. Okay, so just go to your YouTube homepage like I said, click over here on the search and ask questions. So for example, you will ask how to, let's say how to create, for example, how to create TikTok ads, for example, video. Okay, and here you go. So you just need to ask any question you want and YouTube will give you topics that people are searching for. This is a report search prediction, as you can see. Okay, people are searching for how to create TikTok ads video, how to make TikTok ads video, how to make TikTok ads go viral, how to make viral TikTok video ads. Okay, those people who are searching for how to create TikTok ads videos, they have money. Okay, they have money and they can invest money in those services. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to go to your Fiverr homepage like this, click over here on the search for TikTok ads. Okay, so just search for TikTok ads, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service, who can create TikTok ads videos. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to choose a good seller. Okay, sellers who has a lot of reviews, who will provide a good service for those people. Okay, so what you will do, let's choose like this one. This one is top rated seller. I will create dropshipping ads for TikTok videos ads. This one looking good, this one also really looking good. I will create videos and ads for TikTok, or this is one. This do you have good? So let's see if we can find 3 TikTok ads. Okay, this one, like this one is really looking good. For example, like this one, level 2 seller. He has almost 5 star, providing fast delivery. He can create 3 TikTok video ads within 24 hours. That's really good. I will click on his service, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. And as you can see, people keep coming back. The seller providing good service for his customers. So what you will do, you will copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we will go back to the seller profile page. We will click on his video.
So you own a business that needs TikTok video ads?
Really good. I will double click on the video and click on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it, for example, ads TikTok. Okay, click on save. Okay, after you finish, go back to Google, search for Canva. Okay, like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. It's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video. You will be directly in this page. Click on upload. Click on upload file and upload this video. Okay, open. Okay, click on your video, and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as background. Okay, like this. Click on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use, for example, this one. Just click on the text style. I will delete this part and decrease the font size of your text like this. Put this text here, double click, and write this sentence: check link in my description. Okay, like this, and make this text like this. Okay, click over here on elements, click on shape, click on color, choose black color, and put this shape behind your text. Okay, like this, and here you go. Okay, let's check.
So you own a business that needs TikTok video ads that look something like this. All of this, or maybe even this. Well, I've got you covered. My name's Harry, and I've been in this video editing space for just under...
This seller is a really good one. He's explaining his service to his customers. This video can convert and can convert people and can do. Let me show you. Those people who are searching for how to create TikTok ads for TikTok ads video, this seller can make those people who will watch this video buy this service. Okay, because he is explaining this service really good to his customers. Okay, and he already have a lot of reviews like you see. So what you will do next, just so after you finish your video, click on share, scroll down, click on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, upload this video to your YouTube channel, use this keyword. Okay, use this title, how to create TikTok ads video, or use this one, how to make TikTok ads go viral like this, or how to make viral TikTok video ads. This one is really looking good. Use this title. Okay, how to make viral TikTok video ads. So use this keyword, this title, copy this title, use it for your video. Go to your YouTube description and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it, and start promoting like those services that people are searching for, and you can make really a lot of money. Okay, if you stay consistent and if you use these methods that I share with you, you keep improving and you keep searching for specific and different services, you can make a lot of money. Okay, and for people who don't know exactly how to upload this video to your YouTube channel and how you can uh, put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, check link in my description below. I will leave link of a video that will show you step by step how you can do it. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.